Are you tired of working harder every year, yet never truly moving forward? Imagine spending decades climbing the career ladder, only to realize you're still trapped in the same cycle of bills, debts, and stress. The truth is, the middle-class lifestyle is a carefully designed trap, and unless you break free, you'll spend your life working for money instead of letting money work for you. A steady paycheck is not security, it's dependency. Most people rely on a single income stream, usually a job, and that's why they're stuck. Taxes eat a huge portion, bills consume the rest, and very little is left to invest. No matter how hard you work, you stay on the hamster wheel. So, what's the escape route? It begins with a mindset shift. Instead of thinking like a consumer, start thinking like an investor. Every dollar you earn should have a purpose. Stop chasing quick pleasures and redirect that money into assets that grow. Stocks, real estate, or your own business. Wealthy people don't just save money, they multiply it. You need multiple streams of income. Depending only on your job is dangerous. Launch a side hustle, build an online business, learn to invest in dividend stocks or real estate. Even small streams add up until they become rivers of cash flow. Discipline is your greatest weapon. The middle class is trapped by instant gratification, expensive gadgets, luxury cars, vacations they can't afford. But wealth builders delay gratification. They plant financial seeds now so they can enjoy abundance later. Here's the formula. Cut unnecessary expenses, destroy high-interest debt, save aggressively, and invest consistently. Automate the process so it happens without you thinking about it. Protect yourself with an emergency fund so setbacks don't knock you out of the game. And most importantly, keep learning. Financial intelligence grows your wealth faster than any job ever will. The real difference between the wealthy and the middle class isn't luck or talent, it's mindset. Employees think about hours and salaries. Wealth builders think about ownership and systems. Employees think about scarcity. Wealth builders think about opportunities. If you want to escape, you must think like an owner and act like an investor. If you follow this path with patience and persistence, in just a few years, your finances can transform. You won't just survive, you'll thrive. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight, but it is built every day. If you found this valuable, don't just watch and forget. Like this video, share it, and subscribe to Wealth and Billions. Together, we'll master the strategies to escape the middle class, build passive income, and create wealth that lasts for generations.